Hi everyone, today I'm unboxing the OnePlus 6 mobile. Better black, the box is too huge. Uh, the Snapdragon quad-core processor is they're giving better black for 64GB mobile is OnePlus A6 000. The OnePlus 6 better black color. This is the front. The back side is too glassy. They give one pouch also.
Which one is
Is the nylon pouch. They give the pin inside and the instructions are there, manual, the safety information for OnePlus 6. Yeah, you see the here pin is there, the nylon pouch. Then one wire, cable wire is there, the Type C cable.
powerful charger?
One adapter is there. The switch on the OnePlus 6.
Maybe.
Here they use SIM numbers, IMEI numbers, and IC. These are two SIM slots. They give IMEI numbers. The color is black. Looks like glossy. The fingerprint is there. The two camera slots. One is 20MP and one is 16MP with included two flashlights. The Type C charger. The one speaker is there with 5 dots. The earphones slot is here. The sensors. They give the volume key. A slim slot is there, and here they give the. This is the I shall later. First it's on the mobile.
Maybe.
The address.
Amen.
Taking the basic instructions for showing the video. Skip. Yeah, this is the mobile. This is the voice data is there. Up it shows the apps is there, like what apps do you want. It's a search assistant. If you want what app you want, just enter it like Google Play and like that. Slide tab is there. These are the recent launches. It shows the what recently active contacts and if you want anything open recently, it shows like left side. The Wi-Fi Bluetooth something.
Right, it's
The
9 bezel-less
the
display.
6.2 inches screen is a bezel-less display, like iPhone X. And here one more feature is there. Here one button is there. It will come up. It goes silent.
Like
Put
an
down.
iPhone
It comes vibrate. Come again. Put it down. It's ring mode. One button is there here. Yeah, the feature is nice. And first of all, the mobile is handy. Not this is too big. The 6.2 is not phablet. It's okay. It's not too big mobile. The handy only. Some small people's. And I show the camera feature. The two cams is there. Back side. The one is 20 MP and one is 16 MP. Dual flash and fingerprint is there. I saw the video. Ooh, the clarity is nice. It's an 1080p. The photo about this whole issue is 1990 is there. Oh, nice. The HDR.
portrait. Portrait mode.
Let's go portrait mode.
Okay.
The portrait mode here. If you want to change it, they give you the one is mode and is symbols. Means shows the video type. The heart symbol. I don't know. The star like that. Right. There is a timer mode. It's 3 seconds snaps, 5 seconds shutter, 10 seconds shutter. We go back. So I go the features. The pop, Geo, Drive. The basic they give the all Google. The mobile is there, and then one community, the OnePlus community something. They give one app. Sorry, I didn't know the network. I show the features of our OnePlus 6.
GB. 64 GB.
Your OnePlus 6. The 5.1.0 OS Oxygen version. 6 GB RAM, 612 GB storage. Android is 8.1.0.
Audio.
The audio. Tablets. Advanced. Normal here the backup and reset. They're asking your account, OnePlus account, the new will protect, find my device, security updates. There are some screen lock is there. One is 5 pattern pin password. The face unlock is also available. A fingerprint is also available. Okay, let's check the fingerprint. I put the some pattern. Sorry, some pattern. Yeah. Yes. I put the fingerprint. Done. One is yes. And here. Put my name. Done. Yeah, I think now the fingerprint. It's too fast. I like the way feature is here. If you go to apps, for mobile there is some more the options is there. Slightly up you go apps there. So apps, what apps is easy to open the apps.
Let's see the settings. Here there are the gestures, long press to take a photo, and the sensor button. 50 mode. If you get a call, just turn it. It's gone to mute. Three slides the fingerprint like this. Simply we got a screenshot. Got it. Touch screen twice to pick up. Let's check it. We simply music control the screen off. Let's do singers. There is no songs at all. These are the screen gestures. What you want. Buttons. In the home button, swipes. OnePlus6 is a special feature, navigation bars. We don't have just simply swipe up. Let's see from bottom up. This is the home button. Sorry, it's very difficult. If you're using, you can know it. This is the back button. This is the recents. Back. Home. Recents. Okay. Hold on the center. Let's see. Just one swipe, it's a home button. Swipe and hold recents. That's it. From right side, back. Home, recent apps, back, and landscape. If you are in landscape mode, same center to home button. Hide the navigation bar when you are using. When you want it, come in. These are the long actions for home button, recent button, and back buttons. Status bar, battery style. This is looking normally. If you want circle, hidden, you don't want. Circle is best one. This shows the speed. When you are using internet, this shows the speed here. Icon manager. What we want in a notification bar. Next, phone style. What we want. Storage. It's a 64 GB. So 1.3 GB, 1.3 GB defaultly closing, and they're giving only 53.21 GB. The default apps is 64 MB taken, nothing else. Here a new system update. Here OnePlus6 OS 5.1.5. What do you want? It's in face lock like OnePlus6 phone. It's similarly OnePlus6. it's a very fast device. I will show how it works. I will show how it working fastly. I can use because it's a 6 GB RAM. For fast users, it's very useful one. So guys, let's see how many apps I use. No structs downloads. I open too many apps. No structs because it's OnePlus. Never settle. So guys,
another piece of uh,
structs.
yeah. Okay.
Please subscribe to my channel for more updates. Let's stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video.